What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to send money to another bank using Bank of America. So basically guys, stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So you can send money to other banks with 5 or 6 different ways using Bank of America, so we're gonna go through all of them. So first one is online transfer using an email address or mobile number. So basically they offer account holders the ability to send money securely using just the email or mobile phone number of the recipient. So they have fees. Basically most standard transfers are no cost at Bank of America and delivery time is less than a day. Then you have online transfer using an account number and routing number. This lets you easily send money online to someone else's account and is an also great way to send money between your own accounts with Bank of America. So what is a routing number? Basically it's a transit routing number, also known as a check routing number or ABA number, or routing transit number is a 9-digit code that identifies the bank. Then also you can use the old-fashioned way, which is the checks. Then the fourth way is wire transfers, which I've also done tutorials on wire transfers and online transfers for international banks, so make sure to check them out. Then we can have money orders. Basically you can purchase money orders from your bank of the US Postal Service and mail them to people in the US or around the world. So basically those are the ways, and you can just send money as everybody just go to the transfer, enter the recipient's info, and you can just send money with some low fees or none. Basically it depends where and how you're sending money to. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.